Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market. Today I need to warn you, maybe we are going to see a really big crash on Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market because we are in a really risky area at the moment. And I'm going to share with you what I see on the chart. Stay with me, let's check them out. Today we are going to start with Bitcoin on weekly time frame. As you can see on the chart, Bitcoin in 2019 and 2020 have several times actually attempted to break the $13,400 area, and in here as well it was actually August 2020 Bitcoin tried to break $13,400 area. Finally in November, actually last month, Bitcoin broke above the $13,400 area because it was a really crucial resistance for Bitcoin, and it was important to break this one to the upside to start a really big rally for the bigger bull run than 2017 we had in the past. But the thing is, at the moment, as you can see on the chart, we have 7 weekly candle in green. After 7 weeks, Bitcoin actually was going upside from it's about $11,000 area to which about $19,000 area. What we can see on the chart now, we have got a really big red candle on the weekly time frame. That means we are need to be aware because maybe a bigger correction is coming on the market very soon. But the thing is, which is more important than this weekly candle we have got in here, this candle we are going to see at the moment, because this one, if cannot break the $20,000 to the upside, and as you can see on the chart, what we can see last week, we had a really big shadow to the upside, and if this candle actually cannot break and stay above the $20,000 area by the end of this week, and what we can see another time we have got another big shadow to the upside. That means every time Bitcoin is trying to break the $20,000 to the upside, the seller step back into the market and push the price of Bitcoin back to the downside. If this candle actually close approximately about the $18,700 area, what we can see the 3 weeks candle failed actually to break and stay above the $19,000 area. That is going to show us a really big correction is coming on the market very soon. If this candle on the weekly time frame stay below actually the $19,000 area, that means we have got the really big shadows to the upside like 2017 we had in the past. We couldn't stay above the $19,000 area, and after that a big correction came to the market. But this one is not as big as that one we had in the 2017 2018 because we are on the bull market, and after that maybe the seller is going to be more powerful than the buyers actually, and they push the price of Bitcoin back to the downside to the previous high, actually to the previous resistance we had. Now is working as a support for Bitcoin to about the $13,400 area, and after that in 2021 maybe we are going to see a really big bull run on Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. The other chart of Bitcoin I'm going to show you, we are going to the 4-hour time frame, but let me just show you what do we have in here. As I told you in the past few weeks, actually I told you maybe Bitcoin is going to make a double top according to this yellow arrows I have got in here for you. I told you maybe Bitcoin is going to make a double top, and after that we are going to see a really big crash to the downside. What we can see at the moment, we have got a double top, but it's not confirmed at the moment that we are going to see a really big crash on the crypto market, because after that crash we had to $16,500 area, Bitcoin made a rally again to the upside, and after that we saw another crash yesterday, and now the bulls actually they are trying to buy more Bitcoin and push the price back to the upside. It looks like the bulls doesn't have enough power to push the price of Bitcoin to the upside. If they had enough power, actually this could be a really very fast buy to the upside actually. But what we can see at the moment, the bulls actually, they are not that much interested to buy Bitcoin at this price, at this level at the moment. That shows us if the bulls do not push the power to the upside, what we are going to see, we are going to see a really big crash on Bitcoin to the downside. But at the moment, what we have got in here, as you can see on the chart, this red trend line we have got is still powerful as a support for Bitcoin. As you can see in here, what do we have? It was working as a support in here, and it was working as a resistance. Now it's working as a support again for Bitcoin. It is really important to Bitcoin stay above this one if it wants to go and continue to the upside. But I think actually the bulls doesn't have that much power at the moment. We need to stay tuned till the end of this week because the weekly candle is really important for us. What I'm going to show you, which is really more important, I'm going to show you Bitcoin on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, as you can see in here, what do we have? Actually, we have got a really zone area for the resistance working at the moment, which is about the $20,000. And the thing is, as you can see on the chart, I'm on the Binance Bitcoin USDT, and as you can see on the chart, this trend line is more important than everything I've seen at the moment on the Bitcoin chart for the past few days. As you can see, it was working really great as a resistance, and very wonderful as a support for Bitcoin. Now the thing is, as you can see on the chart, yesterday we closed the daily candle actually in red and below this trend line we have got in white. And today's candle is not that powerful enough to stay above this resistance, and that is going to show me the bears have got more power on the Bitcoin market at the moment. If this daily candle actually stay below this area, which is about $19,200, if this daily candle stay below this one and the next candle, which is going to be tomorrow, and if the next candle actually is going to be red, it is really bearish for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going to crash to the downside, maybe to around the $14,000 area. But if the next candle, if today's candle and the next candle, actually tomorrow candle, close above the $19,200 area, it's going to be bullish for me again. Because of that, today and tomorrow is really important, and this week candle actually is really more important for Bitcoin as well. I'm going to show you actually the RSI as well. The thing is makes me more bearish on Bitcoin at the moment is the RSI. After we had actually since 21st of October till now, RSI was on overbought area and the price was going up. After that, we saw a correction. Actually, we haven't made a lower low at the moment, but after we saw a really big crash to the downside on Bitcoin from $19,500 area to $16,500 area, which was about the $3,000. And after that, Bitcoin is trying to break above the previous high again to the upside, but it looks like the RSI doesn't let Bitcoin to do that. And on the daily time frame, is really important for Bitcoin to stay above this area. But the RSI at the moment makes me really bearish because the RSI is going down, but the price is going up. Because of that, according to that, actually I'm waiting for a really big crash on Bitcoin to the downside. Today and tomorrow is really important for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you Ethereum as well. Ethereum shows me the cryptocurrency market going to make a bigger crash as well. As you can see, and let me just show you this one as well. The previous high was about actually $608. Ethereum tried to break and stay above actually the previous high, which was about the $608. But the thing is, yesterday Ethereum made a crash and stayed below the previous high again. It looks like Ethereum is going us a double top for this price as well, and that is going to show us if Ethereum cannot break the previous high, which is about the $608 to $610, If Ethereum cannot break and stay above this area, a really bigger crash is coming on Ethereum and the cryptocurrency market as well, before the really bigger rally to the upside start in 2021. And if Ethereum crash to the downside, what I'm expecting from Ethereum to do, maybe the first support we are going to see is going to be around the $490 area, and after that I'm thinking actually the $450 area is going to be really good support for Ethereum, because what we saw actually after the Bitcoin had a huge rally from $11,000 to $19,000 area, we didn't see that much run on Ethereum as well. I think Bitcoin is going to make a really big crash to the downside, but Ethereum is going to be really more stable than Bitcoin for the next few weeks. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one, and if you have found the video helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much guys, and see you guys in the next one.